Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat effects not working. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it, go back and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager right here, you will find all the apps. Go to Snapchat app like this and then click on force stop, go to the data usage after that. When you click on data usage, it will take you to this page. Make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back, click on storage right here, click on clear cache like this. When you clear all the cache, it will show you zero here, as you can see. And after that, what you want to do is make sure to update your Snapchat on the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. It's very easy to update. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.